Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox a 132 scale diecast bus. Yes, this is from Supreme Diecast Model, which is a niche Chinese brand, and Proswon is the most probably mother company. Before unboxing it, I want to mention from where I have bought it in my country. I have mentioned it in my shorts, which is HWMBD, and you can check it out. If I can, I will put up the link. Now I'm going to open it. Yes, the protective layer, the protective plastic is somewhat good, and yeah, it looks good. I'm going to put it out. The color combination is also good. Yes, I'm just going to throw it away now. Yeah, okay. Yes, this is the mother company's name. Proswon is written here on both sides. The front is SETRA and the written is SEFTRA. SFTRA. Of course, it's not official. That's why the wheels. Yeah, it's really good. The wheels moves good. Tire seems soft, and the lower part there are portions for batteries. Unfortunately, mine is not working because maybe there is some issues with the circuits, so the lights cannot be, put on. Traction is good. There are some sort of traction, pullback traction. Now I'm going to open the back parts. Here, the section for luggages. You can open it with your nails and hands. Okay, you can do it. This portion is also good. It looks good. The opening is really easy. Now the door part, front and back door opens together, not separately, which I don't like. I would like to open it separately, but yeah, what can we do? We have to compromise somewhat. Yeah, it looks pretty good for the prices. Yeah. Oh, it actually runs very smooth. Those tires are quite soft, and I'm really impressed how it draws. It is really good. Yeah. So overall, I would say it's a good one in a good price. The back part can be opened, but unfortunately I could not. So I'll put some pictures of it after opening it. Yeah. The front, as you can see, SFTRA, SEFTRA. I'm really sad about the front lights and the sound it should have made, but circuit issues, maybe. I'm unfortunate. Also, I thought there was suspension, which is not there. It's okay. My bad luck. Oh shit, it hit my tree. Some of the snaps I have taken. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. Thank you.